Hi, thank you for watching this short video where we're going to be talking about how to integrate DataShare data for enhanced reporting across your business. So we are from Inua. We are a team of data and reporting experts that understand that valuable data is needed by different teams within the business, and we help firms and organizations to unlock the data that they have in different systems and integrate that into the format that they're going to be consuming that data. So that might be Excel, it might be Tableau or Power BI, or whatever tools that your teams are already using throughout your business. Inua can help integrate different data sources to completely automate the process of collating data. So you can just refresh reports at the click of a button and take out all of the manual processes and effort that's involved in pulling together different data sources to get the information that you need. So we're going to talk specifically about use cases for integrating DataShare. So Inua helps FMCG suppliers combine their SKUtrak data with other data sets within the business. And some examples of what we've done at other organizations and the kind of use cases for this would be things like measuring overproduction. So combining the stock at the retailer with the stock that you hold to get a complete picture of your stock holdings, and that can help measure overproduction. It's also been extremely useful to see where there's opportunity to reroute stock with some of the challenges that the industry's faced over the past year or so. We also help integrate solutions for promotions, so we can automate the performance of your promotion with your finance system, for example, to trigger off invoices and rebates where required. We've helped organizations improve their forecasting and planning accuracy by creating supply-adjusted forecasting tools and what-if scenario planning. So this is typically done within Excel to help improve accuracy of forecasting and planning for things like the demand planning teams. We've also built suites of field sales products, so we can provide intelligence field sales reports using the data from DataShare and pushing that out to your field sales teams so that they understand which of the stores need to be prioritized, and we can link that into things like promotional performance as well. We've built promotional trackers which can integrate with your internal systems that have the details of any promotions that you have coming up, when they're going to be running, and then we can look at the performance on how they're executing on day one. And if we do need to make any changes, we can push that data to the field sales reports and they can see where they need to go to really maximize the profitability of those promotions that are in flight. And then we can tie that back to forecasting within Excel or within your own systems to look at how different promotions are performing, look at profitability across different promotions in different retailers, for example, and help the teams, the commercial teams and the demand planning teams ensure that they are maximizing profitability of promotions. And then we can use that same concept to look at the success of MPD. So we can build MPD trackers, again, in Excel or within the Tableau systems or whichever software your organization is using to really help assess the performance of MPD and course correct any issues. So I'm going to show you one of the reports that we built quickly. So this is an example of a report that we built for one of our customers, and this is showing them their promotion forecasting and performance. So here we can see this is integrating with their own system that's pulling through the details of which promotions are in flight, across which dates and which SKUs. And you can see here which promotions are complete, which are currently active, and which are going to be coming up. And then we can show things like the performance dashboard, so we can look at how the different SKUs are performing versus the target for those specific promotions. And this is prorated, so we can see that we're 62% through the promotion here. So this is a forecasted number based on the performance and where you're up to within the promotion. We can look at the forecast versus the actual EPOS sales. Again, we can click to different SKUs. So this is pulling the data from SKUtrak and combining it with the information that's held internally on which promotions are currently running. And you can see here on the daily performance that we can see the grayed out area here is where the promotion has gone live. So we can see the uplift that we would be expecting there. And we can drill down into the different promo codes from here as well. Again, we've got weekly performance. So this is the volume of cases in this case, and you can see the uplift here as we would be expecting during the promo period. And again, drill down further into different SKUs. And then we're showing store promo exceptions here. So we've said this is the estate typical price, and then we can see if there are any stores that don't look like they have implemented the promotion correctly. And this is the kind of information that we might use to identify stores where the promo maybe hasn't gone live in time. And we can push that out to the field sales reports and give them the information that they need to understand which stores to target. So that's a short introduction to an example of reports, but please do come and speak to us if you do have requirements to integrate your SKUtrak data with other systems in the business, and we'd be really happy to speak to you about how we might be able to help. Thank you very, very much.